Changing the disc on your average chop saw is pretty simple. I'm going to give you a few tips that'll make it easier for you. First and foremost, the number one thing you want to do is unplug your machine first. Now, next thing, you're going to want to find the tools that it comes with to release the arbor nut. Okay, so this particular chop saw has a two-ended wrench here, and what you want to do is grab some clamps of some kind, take the hood and lock it back into place. This will make it easier for you to access the nut. Now you want to turn the blade slowly while depressing on the arbor lock. As soon as you have that locked in place, that's when you can use your wrench. So just put the wrench in place, unlock it, unscrew it, and it comes off fairly easy. Get that all the way off here. See, and this particular one isn't a nut at all, it's actually a bolt. Now just take this off. Grab your new disc or wheel, put it back into place, like so. Make sure it's all the way on that arbor. Right now you can see that you're going to have a little issue getting through the debris that's in the back of the hood. There we go. You may have to spin it a little bit while holding down the arbor lock. Then put your plates back on. There it goes. Replace your plates, replace your arbor, bolt or nut, whatever it may be. There you go. Now, make sure the arbor lock comes out by spinning this. Make sure that you can spin this freely. Now, you hear that sound, that means it's getting caught up on the debris that's inside the hood or the guard. So what you want to do is you want to knock that out when you turn the machine on. A couple of things you have to check before you turn the machine back on. The distance or the depth of the disc. It can actually be set as this diminishes, as it decreases in size, as it is cutting, will decrease the cut depth here. So sometimes you'll have to adjust this depth control here, this depth control bolt here, so it doesn't go too far down and hit your table. Now, it seems to be good. What we can do now is we can unlock this, release the hood here, the guard. We can plug it back in. And what you want to do is you want to protect your face, because what's going to happen the first time you use this is the disc is going to knock the debris out from the back of the hood here, and you might get some in the face. So what you want to do is you want to wear your face protection first and foremost, and then just kind of stand back and hit your trigger a couple of times to knock the rest of the debris out. So it's good to go. It's always a good idea to actually check if you look straight down the disc to make sure it's not wobbling, to make sure it's secured in place properly, and to make sure you don't have any gaps in your arbor plate or your arbor bolt. Besides that, you're ready to go. You're ready to cut some more stuff, and you got a brand new disc inside your chop saw.